Replacing your 535-8453 Holset turbo? Here's your direct stock replacement, upgraded turbo for your Cummins. This 70mm wheel is larger than stock. Remember, bigger is better. It's going to push more air. It's going to give you more horsepower. Spool-up's going to be the same, yet you still retain all stages of your jakes. This turbo will fail you if it hasn't already. When it does, why wouldn't you go with an upgraded turbo? This is a pre-calibrated new actuator. It's not a reman turbo. There's no core charge, and it's a direct plug-and-play system. So this turbo is a direct stock replacement for these turbo numbers. The reason these are so hard to keep in stock is because there's no downside. This is all total upgrade. You take out your stock turbo, this one goes directly where it did. No programming, no tuning, no deletion. You'll get better horsepower, you'll get lower EGTs, better fuel mileage, and you keep your third stage jake brake. This is the easiest, most affordable way to upgrade your performance. We are the only ones that have this 70mm direct stock replacement turbo for your Cummins.